In the world's toughest environments, repairs need to be fast, reliable, and built to last. Originally created for offshore wind, it's now trusted across industries, from offshore oil and gas to infrastructure and marine. Repacor SW-1000 is a single-cartridge, two-part, solvent-free, 100% solids, glass flake, polyaspartic repair coating designed for fast, easy, and cost-effective repairs in corrosive environments. With single-coat application and record-fast curing, even underwater, Repacor SW-1000 simplifies maintenance and slashes downtime. It's UV-resistant, 100% solids, solvent-free, and CMR-free, making it safe for users and the environment. Repacor SW-1000 is formulated for ease of use with no pot life restrictions. This allows for flexible application without the pressure of time constraints. It cures effectively at temperatures as low as 32 degrees Fahrenheit and in conditions with up to 85% relative humidity, making it ideal for complex repairs even in the most demanding environments. To begin application, start by cleaning the surface to remove dirt, oil, and salts. Prepare the surface area in accordance with the appropriate SSPC or ISO standards. A surface profile greater than 1 mil is required to ensure strong adhesion. The user-friendly cartridge system makes application fast and clean. No mixing, no mess. Just apply a single coat using a spatula or brush. With minimal equipment usage, no waste, and no emissions, Repacor SW-1000 is your go-to solution for fast, effective, and long-lasting repairs. Rigorously tested and approved for high durability in the most corrosive environments, and fully compliant with ISO 12944-9 2018, NORSOK M-501 System 1, and NORSOK M-501 Revision 6, System 7A for Splash Zone. Contact your local Sherwin-Williams representative to see Repacor SW-1000 in action today.